Hi dear students, how are you all? Welcome back to online classes. In previous video, we will discuss new topic water. So in that class, already we discussed about introduction of water and the uses of water. What are the sources? Water sources. Generally, you know that all the things, uses of water and the sources of water, what are the importance of water in our daily life. So in this class, we are going to discuss another topic. It is very simple topic. You can learn easily. So what are the topic is states of water. States of water. So what are the states present in generally in our nature? So generally water present in three states like solid, liquid and gases. What are the states are present? First one, solid state. Second one, liquid state. Third one, gaseous state. First one we will discuss first one, solid state. So where we observe the solid state in water, generally the water is on freezing, the water present in solid state. Like example, freezing the water. So where we can observe that solid state of water, generally you can observe in fridges like Himalayas, certain places. So these are the examples of water present in solid state. Next one, liquid. So in that generally water always present in liquid state at room temperature. At room temperature, water present in liquid state. At room temperature, water present in liquid state. So that is the second state of water. Next one, third state, gases. When it will be present in gas state? When rising the or increasing the temperature. Increasing temperature, water is changes to water vapors. Water is changes to water vapors. So this state only present in gases. So here gases are present when increasing temperature, the water is changes to water vapors. Water is changes to water vapors. That is the third stage of water. So how many states are there? There are three states. One is solid state, and another one is liquid state, another one is gaseous state. So solid state, water will be present in freezing. At liquid state, at room temperature. So water will be present at liquid. Gases, when temperature is increases, the water will be changes to water vapors. So these are the occurrence of water, occurrence of water in three states, three different states. So first one, solid state. So solid state we can generally observe as snow and frost. Solid state present as snow and frost. Next one, liquid state. So what are the liquid states are present in sea water, river water, and well water. So liquid states are present in, generally we can observe in sea water, the water levels will be present, and river water and well water. Next one, gaseous state. So as water vapors in gaseous state, water vapors or steam. You can observe in gaseous state water vapors or steam. So your steam means when we applying more temperature, more than 1000 or 500 degree Celsius. When increasing more temperature, water vapors is changes to steam. So in the gaseous state they are present in two types. One is water vapor or steam. Occurrence of water in three different states. One is solid state, as known first, and liquid state in sea water, river water or well water. Next one, third one is gaseous state, water vapors or steam. So these are the three different states present in occurrence of water. Generally we can occurrence. We are getting water from three different states. So next one. Next topic, change of states of water. So very easy topic. So water is changes to liquid, and liquid is changes to gas, gas is changes to solid. So you can discuss the topic. Changes of water. First one, solid state. So solid means, before we discuss it, solid means freezing or ice. It changes to liquid. Water is changes to solid, is changes to liquid, is known as melting. So ice is changes to liquid. This process is known as a melting process. Solid ice is changes to liquid is known as melting. So at the same way, liquid is changes to gas. Liquid is changes to gas. This process is known as vaporization. Liquid changes to gas is known as vaporization. So here you can observe here, solid means ice. Ice is changes to liquid. Liquid means water. Ice is changes to water is known as melting. And that liquid, water is present in liquid state. Water is changes to gas. Vaporization. So vaporization means vapors. Vapors or steam. It will be present on vapors on steam. The same way, in this process, vapors are changes on cooling. Vapors on cooling. It will be changes to water. So when vapor is changes to on cooling, it's known as vapors or steam on cooling. It will be changes to water. So this process, water means liquid state. So this process is known as a condensation. Condensation or liquefaction. Or liquefaction. So you can use liquefaction. In the same way, water on cooling. So that means water on freezing. Water will be changes to on freezing, that is changes to solid state. Water on freezing. So what will happen? formation of ice. So this method is known as a freezing or solidification. Solidification. Finally we get the ice. So that means ice is solid state. You can observe this diagram or mind map. Generally water, that means solid state, is present in solid means ice. On cooling, so it will be changes to liquid state, that is a melting process. At the same time water is on boiling, it converted into vapors or gas, that is a vaporization. So again this process, water vapors on cooling, so it will be changes to vapors or changes to water, that means liquid state. That process is known as a condensation or liquefaction. Same water again on freezing, so that means freezing or solidification, it will be converted into solid state. So generally you can use one more diagram also, you can easy to understand, that is solid state, solid, liquid, gas. So in this same way, solid, it changes to liquid, is known as melting. Solid it changes to liquid, is known as melting. Liquid it changes to gas. So liquid is changes to gas, is known as vaporization. Gas is changes to on cooling. So that means what will happen? The process is known as condensation. So in this way, the arrow mark will be show the solid to changes liquid, liquid to changes gas, gas to changes solid. So another way, liquid to solid is known as liquid to solid is known as freezing, and same way gas to liquid. So gas, vapor, steam to changes to liquid is known as what is liquefaction or condensation. So that means gas is changes to liquid is known as condensation. So one more method is there, that is solid is changes to gas, directly changes to gas is known as sublimation. So no need in the topic. So these are the method to identify the solid is changes to liquid, liquid is changes to. The final conclusion, you can get a solid is changes to liquid is known as a melting process. That is what is melting. Solid is changes to liquid, and the other one, liquid is changes to gas, is known as a vaporization. The definition of vaporization, at certain temperature liquid is changes to vapor, is known as vaporization. So gas is changes to cooling. So when on applying temperature, that means on cooling, gas is directly changes to liquid state. So already we discussed here, directly changes to liquid is known as condensation. Gas is directly changes to liquid is known as condensation. At the same time, the liquid is changes to solid state, is known as solidification or freezing. So these are the main parts of three states of changes of states of water. Very important one. Can easy to understand in this way. Interchange of three states of water. So one is solid, liquid and gases. At below 0 degree centigrades, 0 degree Celsius, water exits ice. below 0 degree Celsius water exists ice, and above or between 0 degree Celsius to 100 degree Celsius water exists in liquid state. Between 0 degree Celsius to 100 degree Celsius water exists in liquid state. And next one, above 100 degree centigrade water turns to vapors. Water turns to vapor. So these are the three states of interchange of water. So interchange of three states of water. One is solid, another one is liquid, last one is gases. So below 0 degree centigrade water exists in ice. So that means solid state. Between 0 to 100 degree water exists in liquid state. So that is liquid state. Above 100 degree Celsius water turns to vapors. So you can observe here solid will be present in water state. The state of water is solid 0 degree Celsius, and liquid state 0 to degree Celsius to 100 degree Celsius, and gas above 100 degree Celsius. So these are the temperatures depending on the water. So 0 means solid state, 0 to 100 degrees different liquid state, and finally above 100 degree gaseous state. So thank you dear children.